The company structure can be created and changed both in the web application and in the mobile app. When creating a new company, you are very flexible about the organizational depth. If there is only one area in your company structure and one maintenance team is responsible for all lubrication points, it is recommended to create lubrication points directly on the first level. If there are different areas with different responsibilities in your company structure, it is advisable to create sub-units to describe the location of the lubrication points as precisely as possible. For distributors who want to manage the lubrication systems of their customers via perma-connect, it is recommended to create a location for each customer. User management can be carried out for the company or a sub-organizational unit. By selecting user management, the owner of the company receives an overview of all users with access to the company or sub-organizational units and their access rights. New users can be added by entering the email address and defining the access rights. By clicking the users, their access rights can be withdrawn.